Meanwhile, the local government of Valenzuela and Kentex Corporation are giving assistance to the fire victims and their families. Several workers at the factory were lucky enough to survive the inferno. Christine Santos reports.
More than 70 were confirmed dead in the Valenzuela factory fire, but there were workers who managed to escape the fire. One of them is Mayeth Victorino. It was her children that gave her the courage to escape the fire. She was assigned to the company's chemical section when the fire broke out.
Malaking usok muna, usok. 11:30 po. Tapos po nung, di ba malaki na yung usok, hindi na namin makita yung daanan eh. Sobrang kapal. Umakyat pa nga po ako dito sa may yung may scrap dyan na dalawa kami noon, Kuya Brones. Tapos sumabog na yung likuran namin, sumabog na. Yung tumakbo na ako, naghanap na ako ng daanan ko.
There is still hope left for Carlos Igoy that his wife survived the fire. He said his wife went to work yesterday and plans to resign due to small salary and undesirable smell of chemicals. Though chances are small, he hopes he can be with his wife again.
Sabi nga sa akin ng gabi na, sabi niya ayaw na nga raw niyang pumasok dahil... nagparamdam pa? Oo, dahil mabaho nga raw yung thinner na ginagamit nila. Sabi ko, bakit ako yun ang ginagamit niya? Sabi naman niya, sabi niya pinalitan kasi mas mura daw yun. Pero inuubos na lang, tapos ibabalik uli yung dati. Oo, babalik uli.
Authorities are being cautious with their operations as the building is close to collapse. Meanwhile, local government officials said they have coordinated with the company's owner, who promised to provide benefits to the victims' families.